Working on a Ram ProMaster 2500, and today I'm going to be replacing the driver's side headlight, and there's a little warning that says a headlight or some lights out. So first thing I'm going to do is pop the hood. To replace the headlight bulb, you have to remove the whole headlight assembly, and you have to remove this top trim panel, this bottom trim panel, and then the whole headlight comes out. Unplug it, put the new bulb in. First thing I'm going to do is remove these two screws that hold on this trim panel here. And they do have a Phillips head on them, so you can, if they're too tight for your fingers, you can use a Phillips screwdriver. And then this lifts up slightly, and goes right underneath the fender. Next thing I'm going to do is remove this bottom trim panel right below the headlight. And that just takes a Phillips screw. Two little tabs there. One Phillips screw. Now I'm going to remove three 10mm bolts. One there, and then one on the top. I'm using the Craftsman 11-piece socket set. I love this thing. I carry this with me everywhere I go. This is in the set of tools I carry to the wrecking yard anytime I do repairs on like any of the vans. Remove the two bottom 10mm bolts and then the one on top. Go. Disconnect the connector, push down the little tab, and it pulls right out. Alright, the back of the headlight assembly, twist that, comes out. And then back here, you push down on this little tab, and it pulls out. Alright, so I'm going to pull this out. Then I'm using the Sylvania Extra Vision H7. Add a little dielectric grease, just a little bit. Plug this back in. Alright, you have to make sure this little part right here is in the top, right inside there. So this part in there. Push it down and it snaps right back in place. I said the most important part is when you put the bulb in, that little tab is pointed up so it fits in. Now I'm going to go test it real quick. Plug in the wiring and give it a quick test. There we go. Now that I know it works, screw the back on. Put the headlight back in place. Reassemble everything. 3 10mm bolts. 1, 2, and 1 on top. Top trim panel on, and these just push on the top here, and then this part folds underneath the top part of the fender. Now to replace the bottom trim piece, these 2 little tabs go right on the side here. And 1 Phillips screw. And that is replacing the headlight bulb in a 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.